Source as a company started in 2003. Brother and I decided to open a BMX shop. We've both been lifelong BMXers. Started with £5 of savings. Shortly afterwards, we were really trying to grow into a much bigger firm and couldn't raise finance.
Let's Do Business is a not-for-profit organisation. We were originally set up as an enterprise agency, and over the last 5 years we've agreed finance of around £20 million to businesses in the southeast area.
We first come across them back in probably 2004. We were in our second year of trading. We approached them for a loan and we were approved, which really helped us move into the next growth phase. We grew up in Hastings, so we ice skated here as kids, my brother and I. We just had this idea of what a good skate park it would make. Until we opened last year, it was laying derelict. It's really kind of put Hastings back on the map again. It was really important for us to provide the local scene with something we could be proud of. It wasn't easy to raise money for a project of this scale. It took resources far beyond what we had. We're really happy with the first year. It's exceeded expectations. We're really positive about the future.
So ISO Spaces has been going for nearly 4 years now. So we came up with the idea of converting shipping containers. So we moved to a sort of larger premises at the start of 2014, and that's when we first had some financial backing through SWIG. So we're now stood in our current factory, which we opened a year ago, with again a second loan through SWIG, which allowed us to fund this. This factory's actually created 15 jobs in the last 12 months. Since we've had it here, I think we've produced over 50 units from it. As you can see from sort of looking around here, there's quite a few bespoke catering and bar units that we're building. So we've built a lot of social housing units now, which have gone up to Ealing Council. So Ealing Council were sending 130 families a week up to Birmingham, and now they're able to house those families on site in Ealing. So we've got some very ambitious growth plans over the next sort of 3 to 5 years. We're looking to buy a plot of land and build our own factory so that we can cater with the uplift in demand for our housing products, hopefully moving into more social housing and the student housing sector and sort of larger container developments. So last year, at the end of our financial year in September, we turned over 1.2 million, which is our third year of trading. We're on target to achieve a 5 million turnover this year. We're looking to do a significant sort of equity cash raise, which will be, we did a Crowdcube raise last year where we raised 450,000 for an equity share, and we're looking to do somewhere between 10 and 20 times that for the next raise. We're hoping to be able to get towards a figure of a sort of 15-20 million turnover by 2019-2020.
I've always wanted to do suites in a more modern, kind of youthful setting, something that fitted shopping centres a little bit better, something that wasn't kind of ye oldie, but was something that a bit more suitable to a younger demographic. So we came up with the concept of the treat kitchen. We do 300 types of sweets, chocolates and fudge. And since we've opened 2.5 years ago across our network of shops and through wholesale, we've sold about 25 tonnes of fudge now. We've sold around 22 million sweets. We've got 5 shops now, one in Meadowhall Shopping Centre, which is the 3rd biggest shopping centre in the country, and we wholesale to about 200 different outlets via corporate gifting or through wholesale as well. We opened with only about 180,000 in sales in year 1. In year 2, which was the previous year, we're not far off £1 million. This year we'll double that with all of the wholesale and everything else that's happening. So we're very proud of the fact that we distribute around the UK now to about 200 locations, but in 2017 we've already secured customers in Antarctica. We've sold sweets into Australia, into Nigeria, Kenya. We supply sweet shop in Dubai. So not only are we doing our best to expand within the UK as well, but we're also exporting now all around the world, which we're very pleased of. So pushing back that ye oldie sweet shop feel and trying to take sweets into kind of a real modern sort of era.